How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix blue snowball mic quality. So of course you can modify the equalizer on your microphone, but generally that's going to not work for a lot of people. Now, to fix your mic quality, you just want to head over to the Windows setting itself, and basically from here you then want to type sound setting. Scroll down, and then we have our microphones right here. So in my case, I'm using different microphones, but generally you just want to look for your blue snowball microphone. In here, you also want to navigate through the advanced option, but before we do that, let's then select our snowball microphone first. So let's say that it's going to be this one. And in here, you just want to make sure to disable the audio enhancements or the mic enhancements on this page that will actually modify or messed up with your microphone. So just make sure that that specific option is disabled, as you can see right here. With the voice clarity, make sure it's off. Same thing with the voice focus, make sure it's off. Now you can also try to edit the format of your microphone. So in here, click on format, and then you could use this different types of format and see which one works best. So right after that, head over to the more sound setting, click recording, and then you want to look for your microphone. Click properties, click advanced, and just make sure that everything is disabled right here with the audio enhancements, the exclusive mode, and everything on this page. Click apply, click on OK, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.